Well, hello everybody. This is the OUTERDO. I think that's how you pronounce it. OUTERDO. And these are the socks. You know, I told you, okay? I'm giving up all pantyhose, all socks except for in the house, and I'm wearing support socks. And they're making them in nice little colors, and that's what. Making them in pretty little colors and things. And I got black in these, and there's two pair in here, so let's look at them. Okay, so, and these are the socks. Oh, one's an ankle sock. Oh, that's good. See the difference. And one is a big support sock. So I like those. So if you like these, like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a comment, and I will put everything in the comment section for you to get them if you want them. And I want you to like them. Okay. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.